Breaking news that's shaking up the financial world and could put thousands of dollars in your pocket. The moment millions of Americans have been desperately waiting for has finally arrived. Congress has just signed into law a groundbreaking $3,200 stimulus package that's being rolled out through a revolutionary express pay program. But here's the shocking part: many Americans don't even know they qualify for this money. Imagine walking to your mailbox tomorrow and finding a check that could completely transform your financial situation. While mainstream media remains surprisingly quiet about this development, I've spent countless hours researching and uncovering the exact details of how this new program works, who qualifies, and most importantly, how you can ensure you don't miss out on your share. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal information that could be worth thousands of dollars to you and your family. Before we dive deep into these life-changing details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's address the question that's probably burning in your mind right now: is this stimulus package real? And how is it different from previous ones? Unlike previous stimulus programs, this new $3,200 payment is being distributed through an innovative express pay program, designed to get money into Americans' hands faster than ever before. But why did Congress suddenly decide to approve this massive financial injection into the economy? The answer lies in the current economic climate. With inflation pressures continuing to squeeze middle-class families and small businesses struggling to maintain stability, lawmakers from both sides of the aisle came together to create this unprecedented support package. But here's what makes this program truly unique: it's not just a one-size-fits-all payment system. You might be wondering, what makes me eligible for this payment? The qualification criteria for this stimulus are notably different from previous programs. The government has expanded the eligibility requirements to include many Americans who were left out of previous stimulus payments. This includes individuals making up to $75,000 annually, married couples earning up to $150,000, and even some people who weren't eligible for previous stimulus checks. Let's talk about the Express Pay program itself. This revolutionary distribution system was developed in response to the delays and complications that plagued previous stimulus rollouts. Instead of waiting months for your payment, the Express Pay program utilizes advanced direct deposit systems and expedited mail delivery to ensure recipients receive their funds within weeks of approval. But here's something crucial you need to know, and this is where many people might miss out. The program requires certain actions on your part to ensure you're in the system. Have you verified your current mailing address with the IRS? Have you updated your banking information in the past year? These small details could mean the difference between receiving your payment promptly or facing lengthy delays. One of the most common questions I'm receiving is, when exactly will these payments start arriving? According to official sources, the first wave of deposits will begin hitting bank accounts within the next 2 weeks. Physical checks will follow shortly after, with the majority being mailed out over the subsequent month. But don't panic if you don't receive yours immediately. The distribution is being done in phases based on various factors including geographical location and income levels. Here's something that might surprise you: the Express Pay program isn't just about sending out checks. It includes a comprehensive financial support system designed to help Americans make the most of their stimulus funds. This includes access to financial advisors, online resources, and tools to help you track your payment status. You might be thinking, what documentation do I need to have ready? While the process has been streamlined, having certain documents prepared can help ensure a smooth experience. This includes your most recent tax return, valid government-issued ID, and proof of residence. But don't worry if you're missing any of these, there are alternative verification methods available. Let's address another crucial question: what if I've moved recently or changed banks? The Express Pay program has implemented a new tracking system that makes it easier than ever to update your information. But here's the catch: you need to act quickly to ensure your information is current in the system before the payments begin rolling out. What's particularly interesting about this stimulus package is its potential impact on the economy. Economic experts are projecting that this injection of funds could stimulate local economies significantly, potentially creating a ripple effect of positive economic growth. This means your stimulus payment could not only help your immediate financial situation but also contribute to broader economic recovery. But here's something many people overlook: the timing of how you use your stimulus funds can be crucial. Financial experts recommend having a plan in place before the money arrives. Should you pay off debt, build an emergency fund, invest in your future? These are all important considerations that could affect your long-term financial health. For those wondering about the security of this new Express Pay program, significant measures have been put in place to prevent fraud and ensure secure delivery of funds. The program utilizes advanced encryption technology and multiple verification steps to protect recipients' information and ensure payments reach their intended recipients. Let's talk about something that's causing confusion for many people: the difference between this stimulus and other government benefits. This $3,200 payment is completely separate from and does not affect your eligibility for other government assistance programs. In fact, you might be eligible for both this stimulus and other benefits you're currently receiving. One aspect that's particularly exciting about this program is its inclusion of provisions for small business owners and self-employed individuals. If you fall into either of these categories, you might be eligible for additional support beyond the basic stimulus payment. This could include grants and low-interest loans designed to help stabilize and grow your business. What about families with dependents? The program includes additional provisions for households with children or dependent adults. This means your total stimulus amount could be significantly higher depending on your family situation. The key is understanding how to properly report your dependents when verifying your information. Here's something crucial that many people miss: there's a timeline for claiming these funds. While the program is designed to automatically distribute payments to most eligible Americans, there will be cases where additional action is required. Having a clear understanding of these deadlines and requirements could be the difference between receiving your full payment or missing out entirely. What's particularly noteworthy about this stimulus package is its attention to different income brackets. The program includes sliding scale provisions that ensure fair distribution while providing extra support to those who need it most. This means your specific situation could qualify you for additional benefits beyond the basic stimulus payment. You might be wondering about the tax implications of this stimulus payment. Like previous stimulus payments, this $3,200 is not considered taxable income. However, it's important to keep records of the payment for your tax filing purposes. This documentation could be important for claiming additional credits or benefits in the future. One of the most forward-thinking aspects of this program is its integration with digital payment systems. For those who prefer electronic transactions, the Express Pay program includes options for receiving funds through various digital platforms. This modern approach to stimulus distribution reflects the changing way Americans manage their money. Let's address a common concern: what if your payment doesn't arrive when expected? The Express Pay program includes a robust support system with multiple ways to track and verify your payment status. This includes an online portal, phone support, and even in-person assistance options at designated locations. Looking ahead, this stimulus program could set a new standard for how government financial assistance is distributed. The efficiency and security features of the Express Pay program might become the template for future financial support initiatives. This makes understanding how the system works even more valuable for your long-term financial planning. As we wrap up this detailed overview of the new stimulus program, remember that staying informed and acting promptly are key to ensuring you receive your payment as quickly as possible. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and this program represents a significant opportunity for millions of Americans to strengthen their financial position. Don't let this valuable information go to waste. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all the latest developments with this stimulus program. Drop a comment below with any questions you have. I'm here to help you navigate this process. And if you found this information helpful, share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this crucial information. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your financial well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more updates on this developing story.